Wanted to make money at home online? This is exactly what I'm going to teach you in today's video. You don't need any money and you don't need any credit card to do this. So the method that I'm going to teach you in today's video is for beginners. So it's very easy and it takes about 20 minutes a day to do this, and you don't need any skill nor experience to do this. So one thing I like about this website today is that they give you an automatic PayPal depository in 24 hours, meaning you can actually receive your paper money after 24 hours. It's very fast and efficient. You can receive money just like this, and again, this is absolutely free where you don't have to pay any money to do this method, and this is available worldwide, meaning everyone in any country can do this right after watching this video. So right now, I'm going to show you your PayPal earnings. As you can see here, if you complete a 5-minute simple task, you can earn $25. When you do a 10-minute task, you can earn $75. And then when you do a 30-minute task, you can earn up to $300. I'll show you exactly how to do them on your computer or on your phone. Now make sure you stick around and don't miss any part of this video. Make sure you keep watching. Now make sure to subscribe to my channel. Go on and click the subscribe button. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out when I release my brand new videos that can help you make more money online. The website that I want to show you today is a website called validately.com. Now I know some of you guys might have actually come across this website before, but this is a brand new method that I want to show you a step-by-step on how to do this. But before that, I want to show you that PayPal is actually accepting people from all over the world. As you can see here, 200 countries and regions. As you can see, Africa, Americas, Asia Pacific region, or even in Europe. You can actually get a free PayPal account, and then you can start making money on this website that you can do on your phone, and you can do it on your computer as well. This is definitely a legit company and a real opportunity because they are partnered up with big companies like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft. Now I'm going to show some real examples of this. I'm going to be demonstrating, and you guys can watch me step by step before trying out this website. So when you come over to this website, you can also register as a tester and start making money online. Now, it's very important that you don't skip any part of this video because they are going to ask you a total of 16 questions that you have to answer properly so that they can actually approve your sign up. So I want you to watch this video all the way to the end before you go on to the website and try it out yourself. Right now, I'm going to click on this Create Account button. As you can see, this is question number 1. I'm going to do it live for you all the way until question 16 to the end of this video. I'm going to give you a real live example on exactly how to do this so that you can start earning paper money, so make sure you don't skip any part of this now. I'm going to go back here and complete my registration now. Next, what type of mobile device do you own? So I'm going to select either iPhone or Android. Now for my case, I have an iPhone, so I'm going to select that. So the next question here is, what type of computer do you own? Now, would you maybe select Mac or Windows PC? So in my case, I have a Windows PC, and I'm just going to click on Next right here. Next, what is the version of Windows do you use? I'm going to select Windows 10 for me in here. So just click on the Next button here. Gender, male, just click on that. So next, question number 5. What year were you born in? Now, I'm just going to type in my answer right here and click on Next. So over here is important because when you select college graduate, you're going to receive a higher paying job because right now you're an adult, you have an income, you have a job. So I highly recommend you select college graduate, and then you're going to click on the next button right here, voice employment status. You can select either self-employed or full part-time, where either one of these self-employed, and so I'm going to click on self-employed. I'm just going to click next to see what industry you're working in. Right here for question number 8, you can select when you click on here. You can see there are a lot of options, and then you can even click on these, display additional results, and there show more results for you. So right now, I'll give you a bonus tip. It's that when you are in the industry of information technology or some other things related to software and computers, you're gonna make so much more money on this website. So for myself, I would select information technology and afterwards just click on the next button. So here's question number 9. Make sure you keep watching because there are a total of 16 questions, and again, I'll show you a live example at the end of this video on how to do the job. So right now, as you can see, here's a job title. So when I click on this tab right here, you can see that there are a lot of options that you can choose from. I'll select marketing, auto marketing, and we'll search marketing strategies right here. Just click type marketing and find your search marketing strategies, and I'm just going to click on next. Now, once your annual household income comes up, feel free to select the option that best suits you. Now I'll select next. I'm just going to click on this next button. And now it asks, what's your full name? So I'm just going to place my name right here and I'll click on the button. So on the question 12, what's your email? So right here I'm placing an email and then just clicking next. Question 13 is very important because they downright want your PayPal email so that once you complete your job, they're able to send money into your PayPal account. Make sure your YouTube is in the right PayPal email. So once I key in my PayPal email right here, I'm going to click on the next button. Question 14 is very simple. Just type in your password. Now we go on to question 15. Now this is important. Right here, they're going to ask you what time zone you live in. Now when you click on detect my location, you want to click into provide time zone manually. Right click on this link right here and you can actually select what time zone you're coming from. In any case, just select the option that best suits you. Now this is the final question. Question 16. All you got to do is click on this one. Yes, I agree, and click sign up. So congratulations, you successfully signed up your account after this long 16 questions. I know that's a lot of questions and answers, but again, you can do it in less than 2 minutes if you watch this video and just copy exactly what I did. As you can see here, thanks for signing up. They're going to send you a confirmation email. Make sure you check your inbox for a message from Validately from the website, and then you want to click on the link in an email to activate your account. Now, once you click on the link, you're going to go through this simple 1-minute screener test. Now, right now, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. And again, I'll show you a live example on how you can make money on this website. And then right here, you can click on the screener test. Right now, click on this green button here. So you can see make money testing website from your home right here. We are recruiting people to test websites from their phone or office. Now you can do this on your computer or you can do it on your phone. It just takes about 1 minute to do this. It's very fast. Now then, make sure you use Google Chrome browser right on your phone or computer to open up this website on the link on your email when you're activating your account. Then you want to click on this button. As you can see here, I will test the website money. Click on this white button and then they're going to give you a tutorial and you can watch the advertorials. But again, it's a very simple greenish little bubble here. This green little ball is actually where you can click on and it's going to show you what task it is that you have to complete. So this is where your instructions will appear right here in this green ball, and then I'm just going to click on next. Now with this ball here, you're going to go back to the top right hand corner, so whenever you need some help, you can always click this to show task or hide it. So right now, I'm going to click on OK, I'm ready to begin this test. We're going to click on this white button here. To begin, please install the Validately extension. Again, when I click this white button here, we'll come onto this page. As you can see here, Validately unmoderated testing. And it's got over 30,000 users right now. They're using this tool to test the website from their home, on their computer, or on their phone, and you're able to make PayPal money by doing that. So make sure that you can click this blue button to add to your Chrome browser so that they can use the software to start testing website on your computer or on your phone. So once you have downloaded the Google Chrome extension, you're going to receive jobs like these. For example, they want you to test the website, this Amazon website. This is one of the jobs that you might receive, which is simply visiting the Amazon website, and they even provide you with the link. So all I got to do now is I'm just going to click on this link right here, and I'm going to go on to the Amazon website. So as you can see here, once I click on this link, I'm going to go on to the Amazon website. So step number 2, please take a screenshot of the Amazon website homepage. And the reason why you might want to take a screenshot or a photo is because they want us to provide them evidence or proof that you actually visited the Amazon website. So all you got to do now is that if you're using your phone, right now you can just take a quick screenshot on your phone as proof. If you are using a computer, you can just use the print screen button so that it screenshots your entire screen, or you can use something like this, for example, a snipping tool. And then you can just drag and then take a screenshot of the homepage, and then you can save the image right here as a proof. So now we've completed step number 2. Onwards to step number 3. Now, they wanted me to test on whether or not I can locate the today's deal on Amazon and want me to take a screenshot of that. So I'm going to go on to the Amazon website and look for the today's deal. So as you can see here, when I go on to the Amazon website, the reason why they want us to locate today's deals is because they want to optimize its location, because sometimes certain websites are very hard for consumers to find the things that they want. So now I'm going to start looking for it, and once I find it, I'll take a screenshot like before and save it. Now we've completed step number 3. Now to step number 4. Please search for the Scott Standard bath tissue and take a screenshot. Now I don't know what this is about, but I'm going to highlight this one, and then I'm just going to copy this right here. And so I'm going to go back to the Amazon website, and I'm just going to paste the entire keyword and just press on search. And hopefully I'm able to find Scott Standard bath tissue. And this is it right here. I'm just going to click on this image. I'm going to take a screenshot of this right here of the entire page as proof that I actually found this Scott tissue paper. So as you can see here, the step is very simple. The reason why they want us to test the website is because they want to make sure that whenever the customers search on the Amazon website, they actually know how to find the today's deal. They actually know how to find whatever item it is that they want. So once you give them evidence that proves it, the picture, the screenshot that we actually completed the task, we're able to get paid through our PayPal account. Now, as you've seen, the job is very simple. It's going to take you a few minutes to do them, and then when you get more experience, you can do them faster and faster, and you can find so many jobs, so many websites that you can reveal, and then you can make so much PayPal money again and again. And that's it. But before you leave this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the subscribe button and go on to watch on my other videos, and I promise you, you can learn so much and start making a lot of money online. And with that, I'll see you on the next videos.